Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. We're about to have the drawing for the April Fool's contest, the Shave Nation Bumpy Indestructibowl. We will spin a wheel with about 300 names on it. All the people who entered on YouTube, thank you for entering, by the way, and we'll see who the winner is. Leave it going. Bryan Peeler. Bryan Peeler, P-E-E-L-E-R. We have our winner. The winner is Bryan Peeler, the proud winner and owner of the Shave Nation Bumpy Indestructibowl, signed by me, Geofatboy. This will be on the way to you later today as soon as we get your contact information, Bryan. I want to thank you all for entering. This was a lot of fun. Sorry everybody couldn't win, but Bryan got lucky. He's the winner today. If you didn't win the contest for the Bumpy Indestructibowl, you can pick one up on your own. Just go to ShaveNation.com, enter Bumpy in the search box. It'll pop right up. Comes in all these different colors: black, red, blue, white, pink, yellow, green. Visit ShaveNation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm GeoFatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day.